Oh, we're gonna need to turn the heater on in here, boy.
Open that up a little bit.
Why open that?
Because it's warmer outside than in here.
Oh, it's so cold in here. It is freezing. Guys, you guys are not gonna believe this. Billy put some wheels on it.
It's a build, bro. I got cut springs and wheels. It's a build official.
Okay, so he's actually got coilovers on. But look at these wheels, man. What are they, JRC?
JRC 002.
Man, you got some meat, dude.
Wrapped on some eBay meats.
Look at that.
Oh.
Look at the back. The back is just amazing. That's crazy. And then, last night, we got the stock airbox put back on and everything else with it. Oh, we got the crash bar. Crash bar is on. We got the radiator sport on. That took a little bit to do. But this car is coming together. It looks so different now. Like, holy crap. And he's got this harness bar I want to put in today. We got the fenders we need to put on. But in today's videos, we're going to be putting up the whole front end back on this motor. Back. We're going to be putting the whole front end back on the hatchback.
And we're switching out the throttle body today.
And we're going to throw a different throttle body on there. Hopefully that could be an issue.
This valve right here on this one is bad, and I don't want to take it apart because, as you can see, how corroded these bolts are. And so I'm not even gonna worry about it because I have a whole other throttle body I'll just throw on. This came off a good running car,
so we're just trying to eliminate all the vacuum issues, and then yeah, front end, maybe that seat rail, the harness bar bracket that will go in. So it's getting a little intense here on the old hatchback. Okay guys, we got the fender all lined up, looking good. Door opens, doesn't hit. Next, that side, and I'm gonna work on the headlights. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the front end is all back together. It is looking so good. I hope you guys liked the little montage I just made. Me and Bailey have been busting this out. We're trying to swap the, what is it, the IT, what? You don't know? It's apparently one of the sensors that controls cold starting.
yeah.
Autonomy is an illusion.
Yeah, it does something.
It's just like short. I don't have any W40, so I have one that works, so I'm just gonna swap it out.
Yeah, now we're trying to, we need a gasket for the throttle body because when we took it off, it was already old. It was ripping, tore. So we gotta wait a whole day for that throttle body gasket. But when that's done, hopefully, you know, it'll start a lot better than you saw the other clip, how it was like really hesitant on trying to start cold in the mornings. But yeah, other than that, car's back together. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and any other words to say, Bailey?
Rice.
Nice. Peace out.